Hello, Tommy from Tommy Tanks, and how are you? Today we're going to be doing a review. We were sent this product to test it out.
Hold it up. What is it? It is an aquarium cleaner, a set 6-in-1 from, how do you say that? Hygger?
Hygger.
Hygger.
H-Y-G-G-E-R. Hygger. So I'm going to show what we have.
Okay, 1 second.
It has instructions. And then we have a nice pole. Oh, okay. Now we haven't opened this up yet or checked it out or tried anything, so...
Yeah, this is the first time.
So you can adjust it. Right. And it comes with, you can clean your tubes out and your lines, which will just, oh, look at this. This is really cool. Look at, you push it in, spring loaded, spring loaded. Man, has it got a spring on it, and hold it in place. So she ain't coming off. And you push it in and push it out. So that's really good. It came with a scooper. So you can see it scoops up the gravel if you want to reset it and you want to reorganize, your gravel. It even comes with a really nice net. Oh, look at that. It even gives you an Allen key and a spring so you can change it if the spring wears out or breaks. That's pretty cool. And then look at this. For your small little fish.
For a small fish, yeah.
And that is really a heavy duty net. Hang on a second, I'm going to show you something.
Looks like a nice net. Okay.
That's really well done.
That's a thick net.
Yeah.
Versus this one that's not so thick.
So, I give him a 10 on that one. Oh, it comes with a razor blade scraper for cleaning the algae.
Okay.
So it's really good. And it comes with a nice cover. It comes with a corner cleaner. Now that's really good.
Yeah, that's neat. Okay.
And it's got quite the spring on it. So it tells you how much force it's got. She ain't no little wee-wee, I'll tell you. She's pretty good. So anything gets in it, and it's flexible. So you can go for your backs. Well, it's flexible too. I like the flexibility I can turn,
So I'm assuming that's for the flat glass.
Mm-hmm.
All laid out.
I use this for painting my glass. It's a magnet. It's a heavy duty one, right? But when you're looking at this surface, look how close the surface is. Right, so it's giving you a lot of surface. And this is actually better because this gets in the corners, right? I don't know how good this is, we're gonna find out, right? But you could actually take this off and and glue on a green pad. And
we're gonna go to the other tank.
We're going. Bye. Okay.
Okay.
We're back. Anyways, you can see the tank
Is
really let go.
yes, very full of algae.
no dirt. So you wouldn't even need to use this one. So now we're in the big Tommy Tank's room, and we're going to try using the little scooper here.
And it'll be a good test to see if this works in deep tanks.
Yes.
Because that's like the biggest issue.
Yeah, these are over 30 inches.
Is that the longest it goes, Dad?
How much longer do you need to be?
I don't know. You can see, test the length out. Well, it seems to be doing the job. There's not much to it. So.
Actually, it's a great thing.
Yeah, I guess that's true because it's, what are you going to use to do that in these deep tanks?
Yeah.
It's really hard to do that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So, what is my thoughts on this thing?
Final thoughts.
For the price, good deal. Works good. You want me to rate it honestly? I'll give you an honest rating. I've only used it once. Moved the gravel like nothing. Moved a little piece of rock for me. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I mean, it does the job. It was easy.
Yeah.
The one good thing is we didn't use the cleaners on the big tanks, but the big tanks you get soaked when you clean them because we do it with like a pad.
Yeah.
So, I mean, and it reaches the bottom of these deep tanks. I think it'll make cleaning a lot easier.
That's a good benefit.
So I think it's about $25 on Amazon, but we're gonna have the link in the description. We also have a discount code. I can't remember the percentage. It might be like 10% off. Discount code is Tommy. We'll also have that in the description.
Yeah, it might be 20%, who knows?
Yeah, who knows? I can't remember.
Yeah.
I'll put up a little blurb here of what it is.
I like my necktie. Look good? No.
So check it out if you're interested in it. I think it's a good product.
Yeah.
We'll definitely be using it. Yeah. But anyways,
subscribe,
like, comment.
Comment, yes. See,
we have a merch.
Merch
site.
page. Merch page. Yeah.
Yes, check out our merch. We're also on Instagram, but we don't post.
Yes, we don't post. And we don't answer our emails. I mean, our
check it. Yeah, if you want to contact us, email us. It's on our about page.
Yeah, because we're really busy because of renovations for the summer.
But we check our emails at least like maybe once or twice a week. So.
Yeah, and we answer back. So we want to thank you very much for our new subscribers, and we'll be doing some more stuff. The next video.